What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to disconnect your Facebook profile from your Instagram profile, or I should say your Meta profile now, because they just recently changed the name of Facebook. So if it's changed to something else now or they rebranded it all, this method will still work. Just go forward with the steps and it will all be the same. So you're going to open your Instagram app, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner there. And then once you're at your profile picture here, you're going to hit the three lines in the upper right hand corner. And then what that's going to do for you is just bring down a quick little drop down menu. And then when this drop down menu pops up, you're going to hit the first option there to go into the settings menu. And then once you get to the settings menu, what you're going to do from here is you're going to actually just scroll all the way down, and you're going to see a little icon for Meta with the account center right below it. Like I said, Facebook just changed their name or whatever. I'm not really sure what they're doing at this time, so just bear with me, and if it's a different name, then still go through it. So the first option when you come up here is going to be to set up the account center. But basically, if you're watching this video, it's going to be a little bit of a different screen for you because I already disconnected my Facebook account, but there should be a button there for you to disconnect your account or manage accounts, and then it should be pretty self-explanatory from there. I'm sorry I'm not able to actually show you here as I already did it, and I don't want to purposely connect my Facebook account just to go through that trouble of doing it again. I'm sure you know how hard it is if you're watching this video. But that's all there is to it. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how to disconnect your account, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.